Hey friends, this is Atif Opirval and welcome to the new update on Algorand. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that the movement of Algorand was quite squeezed inside a falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart. And this was the video, by the way. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then still it is moving at the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the previous trading signals report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And for example, if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade signal for internet computer, you just need to click on the link. It will take you to the trading views chart. And there is a play button available on every trading views chart. You just need to click that play button and it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the chart, and first of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart. And here we can see that Algorand is moving inside this falling wedge pattern for the past several days, and now the movement is quite squeezed inside this falling wedge pattern. And right now, you can see that the price line is reached the resistance of this falling wedge, and at the same time, there is also a bullish divergence flash as the price line has formed lower than the previous low. And at the same time, stochastic has formed higher low. And if we watch RSI, then RSI has also formed higher low than the previous low as well. So there is a double bullish divergence flashed on the chart because if the price line is forming lower than previous low and stochastic or oscillators, any oscillator is forming higher low than previous low. So there is a this is a bullish divergence signal, and you can see that the price line has followed this bullish divergence signal and started a nice reversal and reached the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. So far, we got several times rejected by this resistance, but this time the movement is quite squeezed inside this falling wedge pattern. Therefore, soon we can expect that it can break out or break down the support or resistance of this pattern. For example, if it will break down the support of this falling wedge pattern, in that situation, the target to the downside can be approximately at 11.7 cents. And in case of breaking out this falling wedge pattern, the target to the upside can be here at the top of the wedge that will be approximately at 22 cents. And now if we take a look at this weekly time frame chart, then here price line is moving inside in another very big falling wedge pattern. And while moving inside this wedge, it has broken down a very long-term support of 16 cents as well. That was previously working as a long-term support here back in September 2019. And here it worked as a resistance for 1 or 2 weeks. And here it was working as a support in the month of January 2022, December 2022. And finally, we broke it down. But at the same time, we can see that stochastic on this weekly time frame chart has completely entered the oversold zone. And recently, we have received a bull cross like this blue line has crossed up the orange line. That is a buying signal. And at this time, while it is moving inside this oversold zone, this buying signal or bull cross has a very high significance because this can be a signal that now there can be a possible price correction started. And if Algorand starts this price correction, then there can be a very high probability that the price end may also break out this falling wedge pattern and reach the target for this falling wedge pattern that is approximately at 22.2 cents. And if the price line reaches there, then it can also move above then this resistance of 16 cents as well. That was previously working as a support. Now it is working as a resistance. And we can see that the resistance of this falling wedge pattern is approximately at 18 cents. And once the price line will be able to break out this resistance of the bigger falling wedge pattern, then the target can be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately between $2.50 to $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.